Dear students, welcome to my channel. In the last class I explained about temperature and absolute temperature, and I gave some examples how we convert Kelvin to Celsius and Celsius to Kelvin. Now I am going to explain the most important activity in this lesson, which is called activity 3. So it is one of the important question in this chapter. For this I am explaining in the form of aim. So what is the aim of this activity? Aim is nothing but to show average kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy of molecules is directly proportional to absolute temperature. So this is the aim of this activity, to show average kinetic energy of molecules is directly proportional to absolute temperature, or absolute temperature is directly proportional to average kinetic energy of the molecules. For this we took some materials. So what are the materials required for this activity? The materials required are 2 glass bowls, cold water, hot water, food color. So these are the materials required for this activity. Now I am going to explain procedure. So what is the process or how we do this activity? First, take 2 glass bowls, fill them, one with cold water and another with hot water. So 2 glass bowls want to take like this. This is one bowl. This is the another bowl. In this, cold water is poured. In this, hot water is poured. So totally 2 bowls are taken. In one of them we pour cold water, in another we pour hot water. Now sprinkle food color in both bowls. So some food color is sprinkled in first bowl and some is sprinkled in second bowl. We observe that food color spreads randomly in both bowls. So when you sprinkle food color in both bowls, we found or we observe that food color spreads in both bowls randomly. We found that food color sprinkled in hot water spreads fastly than in cold water. So my dear students, here in both bowls food color spreads, but we found that means a small difference is there. In these two, in hot water bowl food color spreads very fastly, in cold water bowl food color spreads slowly. Why? Because in hot water or in hot water bowl, kinetic energy of molecules is high due to temperature is high. So in case of hot water bowl, for hot water temperature is more, so kinetic energy is also more. In cold water bowl, Ke of molecules is less due to temperature is less. So here kinetic energy of molecules is high when temperature is high. Kinetic energy of molecules is less when temperature is less. Finally, we conclude that average kinetic energy of molecules is directly proportional to temperature. So this is the very important question, and very simple question also. First aim want to write for this, to show average kinetic energy of molecules is directly proportional to absolute temperature. For this we require two glass bowls, cold water, hot water and food color. We can take beakers also. So here first we have to take two bowls, fill them with one is with cold water, another is with hot water. Some food color is taken and we have to sprinkle in both bowls. We observe that in both bowls food color spreads, but we found that the food color spreads fastly in hot water than cold water. Why? Because in hot water temperature is high, so kinetic energy is also high. In cold water temperature is less, so kinetic energy is also less. From this we conclude that average kinetic energy of the molecules is directly proportional to temperature. So here when temperature is high, kinetic energy is also high. When temperature is less, kinetic energy is also less. According to mathematics, if one quantity increases, second also increases. If one quantity decreases, second also decreases. This relation is called directly proportional. So finally, with that mathematics and this activity, we found that average, or we showed average kinetic energy of molecules is directly proportional to absolute temperature. This is about activity 3. So in this question there is a chance to ask, instead of food color he can take turmeric powder or kumkum powder. So two bowls are taken, one is filled with cold water, another is filled with hot water. Take some turmeric powder and sprinkle in both. In which bowl that turmeric powder spreads very fast? Why? That is the question he will ask. For that also we have to write a same answer. Instead of food color we have to take turmeric powder. This is about activity 3. Very important for 2 marks.